Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Computer Easy channel. Last video we have seen some of the methods which is used to manipulate the elements in the array. Now in this video we are going to see remaining three methods to manipulate the elements in the array. The first method is sort. Sort method is used to sort the elements in the array in ascending order. Whatever the element we give in the array will be sorted out in ascending order. Here in this method sort, the S should be small letter. This method is used in integer, long, short, double, boolean and char. We can use it sort by using the syntax arrays dot sort of, within the parenthesis we have to give the array which we have as input. Okay. The next method is fill. This method is used to fill the elements in the array by a certain element. That is, if we have a set of integer elements, means now we want to fill the elements instead of that element if we want to fill the element as 2, means we should specify that value in the fill method. How we can use this fill method means we have to use this fill method as arrays dot fill, within the parenthesis we have to give the input array and the element what we want to fill means that value we have to give in the value. Suppose if we want to fill the element as 2, we have to give the 2 in the place of value. Okay, we can use it with the range of elements in the array. If you want to fill the elements with the pattern in a particular range, means we have to specify the start and end position. If we have a set of element of 10 members, means 10 numbers, means if you want to fill the elements with 2, replace the element with 2 from 5th to 10th place, means we have to give the start as 5 and end as 10. The start number should be smaller than the end number. Okay, this method can be used in integer, character, boolean, long, float, double, short and byte. The next method is equal. This method is used to check whether the two array elements are equal. This will give the result as boolean value. If the two arrays are equal, means it gives output as true. If the two arrays are not equal, means it will return false as a result. That's all about the methods which can be used to manipulate the elements in the array using Java. Now I am going to show the methods sort, fill and equals method using a sample program. First of all, we should include the header files java.io.star. Next, we have to include the util header file, which includes the correction array. Class method array public static void main. Now if you want to use the function sort, fill, means we need one array, and for getting the input we need an for loop. For that we have to declare one variable, and for array one variable. If you want to use the method equals, means we need two arrays. So totally we need two arrays and one variable which is used in the for loop. Okay, array is declared as, I am going to use integer array, int number is equal to new int of 5. Num1, and next array as int num2 is equal to new int of 5. Next is integer variable I for loop. The next step is we have to get the input from the external source. So for that we have to declare the input stream. So for that purpose I am declaring the buffered reader. Buffered reader br is equal to new buffered reader within parenthesis new input stream reader within parenthesis system dot in. We have to close the parenthesis carefully. 1 2, right. We have to be aware of the case sensitives. Now we can get the input for two arrays. Okay, first array system dot out dot println, enter the values for first array. For I equal to 0, I less than num1 dot length, I plus plus. Num1 of I equal to, we have to specify br dot readline. Br dot readline will get the input as byte value. So we have to include convert the br buffer reader get the input as a byte value, and the stream reader will convert the byte into string. So actually we will get the values as string values, but we need integer values. For that purpose we are going to convert that string values into integer value. How we can convert that string values into integer value means this syntax will convert the string value into integer value, that is integer dot parse int of br dot readline. Okay, now we'll get the input for second array. System dot out dot println, enter the value for second array. For I equal to 0, I less than num2 dot length I plus plus. Num2 of I equal to integer dot parse int of br dot readline. Now we will start the methods. Now I am going to use the sort method in the first array, sort method and fill method in the first array, and equal method in two arrays, right? I am going to use the array num1. System dot out dot println the values in the first array before sorting. Less than num1 dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println print num of num1 of I. Now we can use the sort method as arrays dot sort of the input value num1. Okay, next we write the method for fill. Arrays dot fill num1 of num1 comma 2. Next we use the method equal. If arrays dot equals num1 comma num2 equal to true, then system dot out dot println the two arrays are equal. Else the two arrays are not equal. Semicolon. Okay, let's close the program. Now we have to save the file as method array.java in JDK path. We have to store in Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 3 bin. This is the user folder. Within that folder I am going to store the file as methodarray.java. Now we can compile this file. For compiling, java c method array dot java. We missed the semicolon. Thank you.